episode, the story will begin with Decla trying to understand the truth that has fallen on her line to Storm. She is not just too hurt because her sister may be alive, she is hurt because everyone around her came to know pieces of her story that she was never allowed to hear. For Decla, this is not only about finding her sister, this is about recovering the years that were stolen from her. Every memory of grief will be feel too differently. Every tear she shed will turn into angry, and every person who stayed silent will become too suspicious in her eyes. Erkan will become the first person Decla questioned. He loved her deeply, but now love will be not too enough to defend him. But Decla will want answer, not excuse. She will ask him why the chose silence when know that the truth could change her life. Erkan may try to tell her that he was afraid of losing her, but Decla will remind him that already lost at the moment he closed to choose to hide the truth. This emotional distance between them will become the most painful part of the episode. Kadir will appear as the person who gave to Decla courage to face reality, but even Kadir true will not too simple. Decla may begin to wonder why he told her everything now. Was it only because he carried out out? There was another reason behind it. This doubt will be make the story more intense because Decla is now in the place where he cannot fully trust anyone. She wants to believe that her heart will be battered too much many times. The Aldur family will be also enter a darker period for Hamidi death. The sadness inside house will not to bring and together insist it will open now wind. Is a decision may shock everyone because grief can push toward choose that cannot to take back. In she will begin to feel trapped by her own mistakes. She may try to defend herself, but conflict of her action will be closed in her. Ferment anger will become one of the biggest stinger in the next episode. He know that if Daria true comes out, many things can change. That is why he will not to allow anyone to move freely. Sivan become his target and Ilfar may suffer because of his fight. Their love face are tests that have been either can make them stronger or break them completely. At the same time, Farid will take a step closer to the truly about herself. Her journey with Tahir will become emotional because every clue will be getting to closer to the past she does not fully remember. The next episode will connect a pain, love, hidden identity, powerful way. Decla will not to be able same girl anymore. She will rise from to heartbreak with one decision to mention to find her sister expose every lie.